Hello, hello. All right. Only 2 more days of math this week, and today is a lot of fun. We have a lot of practice with multiplication, and you get to see and identify some patterns. So I'm just going to take you through our entire Google form today, and I'm going to make sure you know exactly what needs to be turned in to be considered done. Okay, so you're going to watch every video. Now, I make these videos to make sure you understand what's expected of you and to teach you a little bit about math. So here's our target video. This is just where I break apart our target for today. Okay? You're going to complete the pattern. You're counting by tens. It's one of my favorites. You're going to solve our 1 times 5 problem. Put your answer in the dot. Click your answer by clicking on the dot. You're going to solve our n times 9 equals 9 problem. Our 0 times 3 equals n, right there. Now, the next part is to find your work for today on Seesaw. If you have your work, you can use this step later, but you need to use this step. Okay, so if you do need to access your work, I'm going to be a rabbit today. I'm going to click on the Seesaw link. It brings me to Seesaw, where our activity is at the very top. Here is our activity today, lesson 17, problem set and exit ticket. There are 4 pages. You're going to add your response. I'll be a sample student again. Here is this page. I would strongly suggest you view these instructions. I give you a very sneaky hint in this video here. So make sure you watch that if you are accessing this to use this template. Like if you don't have these at home and you're using this, that's fine. Watch the video. It's going to help you a lot. You're going to do all 4 of these pages. Number 1, page 1, we do together. We do that whole page together. Page 2 and 3, I walk you through, and then page 4 is pretty much on your own. Okay? So you're going to either do them here or you're going to do them here. I'm going to go back to my Google Forms tab. I'm going to scroll down, and I am going to start with the application problem. I'm going to do this. You can do it with me, or you can do it or you can just watch. That's your choice, but you do need to answer this question. How many plants did Adrian plant in all? Problem set number 1. So, problem set part 1, I'm sorry. That's this page. Problem set part 1 is this whole page. Actually, it's problem set part 1 through 4. And we walk through and do all of the pieces together. No, nothing is going to take you 20 minutes. Hopefully, this is just a count up timer for something you'll see in this video. You're going to watch the part 2 video, answer a quick question, part 3 video. Here's a reminder. This is going to be very helpful for you today. So use this picture. Answer a quick question, problem 4 video. This is for the bonus question on the bottom of page 1. Question D is a bonus question. I only want you to spend 3 minutes on it. If you can't figure it out, that's fine. So right here, this question says, did you solve 7 times 16? If yes, type your answer. If no, just say no. I want you to try and solve this without using a calculator or your phone or the computer or your mom sitting right there. I want you to see if you can solve it using your multiplication chart. This is the video where I talk about how to do the rest of your problem set. This is for another bonus question. You're only going to spend 1.5 minutes on it. This is where I explain your exit ticket. Now, couple things. After you've answered everything, you have to press submit. I've had a lot of kiddos turn their work in, but they forget to turn this part in, and they don't get all the points for today. It's a bummer. Make sure you turn this in after you've answered all the questions. Now you already have Seesaw opened, so if you did it on pencil and paper, you can take your pictures and upload them right here. And don't forget to push the green check mark when you're done. Hopefully this helps you understand exactly what needs to be done today. You have 3 pages to do by yourself, you have your exit ticket, and you have 2 pages of the problem set. We do the first page of the problem set all together, but I still need to see a picture of it. So you've got 4 pages to show me a picture of, and then your Google form. So you have 5 things that I'm checking for today. Okay? You have 3 pages of the problem set, one of which we do together, an exit ticket, and your Google form. I hope to see you guys all at our 10:30 math meeting, where we will go over a lot of these questions. And I hope you guys have a little bit of fun with this today. Nice job!